In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Google AI Gemini in Gmail and other Google apps step by step. If you prefer a cleaner and more traditional Google experience without AI suggestions and smart features constantly appearing, this tutorial will help you turn those settings off in just a few minutes. The process is very simple, and by the end of this guide, you'll have full control over how Google Apps behave on your account. To get started, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Log into the Google account where you want to disable Gemini and other AI-powered features. Once your inbox loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon to open the Settings menu. This is where Gmail allows you to customize different features and manage your overall experience. After clicking the Settings icon, a quick Settings panel will appear. From there, click on See All Settings to access the full settings page. This section contains all the advanced Gmail customization options, including smart features, privacy settings, inbox behavior, and more. It may look overwhelming at first, but the option we need is very easy to find. Inside the settings page, look for the section called Google Workspace Smart Features. This is where Google manages AI-powered tools across Gmail and other Google services. These smart features include Gemini integrations, automatic suggestions, smart writing assistants, email summaries, and AI-generated recommendations throughout Google Apps. Once you find this section, click on Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings. A new panel or settings window will open, giving you more detailed controls over how Google AI features operate across your account. You'll notice options related to smart features in Gmail, Google Docs, Google Meet, and other connected Google products. To disable Google AI Gemini and related smart tools, locate the toggle or slider connected to smart features in Google Workspace and other Google products. Simply click the toggle to turn these features off. Once disabled, Google Apps will stop using many of the AI-powered assistance tools connected to Gemini, giving you a more standard and distraction-free experience. After making your changes, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the new settings. This step is important because your preferences won't update until the changes are saved properly. Once completed, the AI features should be disabled across supported Google Apps connected to your account. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Google AI Gemini in Gmail and other Google applications. If you ever decide you want the AI features back in the future, you can always return to the same settings page and enable them again at any time. Hopefully this tutorial helped you customize your Google experience exactly the way you want it.